Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize Shopify Spotlight theme. So first of all, you need to install it by going to your dashboard, clicking on Online Store and Themes. And now as you can see, I have Dawn theme. And now when you scroll down, you can see there are popular free themes. And here is the Spotlight one, so you're going to add it to your themes and we're going to publish it. Let's wait for it to install and then we're going to click Publish. Click Publish. And now, as you can see, it's already installed. So we're going to click Customize. And here's how you can customize. Now I added some products just to show you on this video. Basically, as you can see on the header, we have no logo, nothing. So first of all, we want to add logo to our header, but you need to click Theme Settings here, click on Logo, and right here, select some images and upload your logo here. Now, as you can see, it's already added here. We can actually center it if you want to, but we have to do this on our header settings. So we go ahead here and you can actually click on top center like so, top left, middle left, or middle center. So let's leave it maybe here. Now you can actually add a section like a announcement bar, as you can see. And for example, you can write here some information. So we're gonna click this arrow and now you can actually write something down. So for example, we can write something like that. Now what we want to add also is change the images. So you can change here the layout, for example, space between the theme sections, page width. This is not what we're looking for right now. Some animations you can add to product cards. So product cards are these ones from our featured collection. So we can add some image padding. This is like a border around it, as you can see. So we can actually add it here. Now we wanted the text to be in the middle, the border thickness, and opacity. But it doesn't look really nice, so let's leave opacity to 0. And now we can also add some shadows, like so, and some blur. And this is how it looks like now. Now we can also choose a color scheme. So for example, if we choose this one, as you can see, it's really dark now. So let's just leave it maybe on this one, like so. Now there's also collection cards, so which you can also change. Now we will also want to add this menu, so you go ahead to header. Now we're going to click on the header like so, and you can select the menu right here. Just click main menu and select. Now let's save our theme. Now what you can change is this menu, so you can either choose mega menu, which doesn't change anything really, but if you choose drawer, as you can see, this is right now like so. It depends what you like, so let's leave it like that. Now again, the color scheme, let's choose the one we are using for this. And let's center everything. Now you also want to look for the mobile version, how it looks like. As you can see, it looks quite okay. And like so, if we click on the catalog, for example. Now, as you can see, there's nothing here, so we can actually add a section. Now, when we add a feature product right here, you can actually click on it and you can select the product you want to add. So let's choose this one. And now again, we need to edit a scheme. Now, when we go to our, for example, order tracking page, as you can see, it doesn't look really nice, but you cannot do anything here, only add custom CSS. But to change this, you will need to go to the page, to your own page, basically. Exit here, go ahead to pages, and then here it is. Now we can change how it looks like if we want to. So for example, let's make it in the middle. Like so. And let's delete this. Now let's see if it's changed a little bit when we go here. Now it's centered, but as you can see, I added some I letter and now it shows. Basically, this is how you edit everything. You can have lots and lots of theme settings. So we can choose a theme and basically, for example, I want to choose this one. Now you can search for what you want to change, but basically this is how it looks like. So if you want to add some brand description in the footer, you can do this. And you will see here it is. Now you can also add a description, and like so you edit the theme. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.